Hello everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll explain how to send money using Google Wallet and what you need to know about this feature. Let's get started. To be honest, Google Wallet does not support sending money in most regions. There's no official feature inside the app for that in many countries. Google mentions that certain features are available only in specific regions, so the best thing you can do is check the app and see if the money transfer option appears for you. If you don't find the option, you can try downloading the Google Pay app from the Play Store or App Store. This app does allow you to send and receive money, but only in a few supported countries, like the Singapore and India. In some regions, you might not even find Google Pay in the store. In that case, it's best to use trusted alternatives like Wise, PayPal, or Revolut, depending on what's available in your country. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.